So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Counter-Strike 2 on your PC. So first of all, open your Steam application, then search Counter-Strike 2 and open it. Now here scroll down and you will see two options. If you want to buy Prime, you can buy it for $15, else you can play it for free also. Now tap play game. Now here it will ask you where you want to store the game. You can change it by going to settings and adding here add new directory. I'm going to add local disk E and then tap add. Now I'm going to close this window, then tap play game and select the library and then tap install. Now I will go to library, then home. Here I will go to Counter-Strike 2 and here you can see Counter-Strike 2 is downloading, and after the downloading is completed I will be able to play this game. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel Tutormania. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.